In a bid to get people in this small agricultural town on the border with the Netherlands to think a bit harder about modern civilization, maverick artist Guy Steenput has staged the ultimate live exhibit. He has taken over a shop in the centre of Bourgloon to house his novel exhibits. 2 cows in a shop window. Tucked up warmly in a bed of straw, chewing their cud, they stare out contentedly at the humans who walk past and don't often understand what they are seeing. Steenput admits that his novel exhibition has caused some controversy, especially among animal lovers who fear that the cows may be badly treated. But he says they are kept in a space that is no smaller than the average stall, are fed regularly and look very content. Whether or not they are amused by the range of expressions of the people looking in is impossible to tell. Certainly expressions of surprise and occasionally of shock were visible. The bovine exhibit has a French title which can be translated as "She gives milk, but nobody gives her pleasure." Steenput says it is a work about giving and not receiving, and designed to make people think about their reactions.